Well, Mama told me when I was young, to sit beside me, my only son, and listen closely to what I say. And if you do this, it'll help you
I just thought I'd post a real quick update just to show what's I don't know what's been done, where we're at here. Haven't been out here a whole lot in the past couple weeks. The car is all buffed. All of the window felts here are in. All this new trim here is on both sides. The windows are in, wing windows. 1/4 windows in. Still gotta put the other one back in. All the new side markers and lenses are on. Tail lights, rear bumper. Basically all that's left on the exterior is the front and rear windows and the trim. But we gotta take it and have the headliner put in first. Then we'll put the glass in. And stuff like that. I just came out here for a little while tonight to we got a used set of heater controls today, and they all work really good, but the lens was no good, so I took the old Angels set apart, took the lens off it, put down these ones, hooked it all back up before this lever here on hers was broken off, so you can change it from defrost to heat. So that's done. So that's all together. Now I can put the dash back together. Got a new dash pad in the house. Put that on. Probably do that stuff tomorrow. And yeah, that's about it. We got the new rear interior panels and the new door panels. We got all that stuff. I'm gonna wait till after the headliner's in before we do that. So basically, button up the dash tomorrow and schedule a time to get the headliner done. In the meantime, I'll get the hood ready to paint. I still haven't done anything to the hood. It needs some minor body work on the top. And get the hood primed so we can paint the hood. And this thing will be wrapping up here shortly. Hopefully. We do still need to get a master cylinder and redo some of these brake lines. But yeah, that's just paperwork. So that's where we're at. No exciting stuff going on around here to videotape lately, so that's why there hasn't been any videos. But we'll see what we can do. We'll get back on it. After this is done, I'll probably either screw around with the Ford a little bit, or I need to do some buffing on wrong side, so gotta get that done before spring gets here. Do all the stuff I didn't finish on that last year. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I got.